Okay. Nu skal vi... Og de er... Men det her vi skal... Jeg søger kun alt overused, to be honest. Altså nu hvor vi skal være... Okay. Jeg har lige deres eget sted her.
What's on your mind? Come on, let's hear it.
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart, that Ratchet and I are lost.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
Right.
Det er ikke midt ude i rummet. Har hun ikke brug for luft? Maybe she should get an O2 mask.
This is Zerky's gastropub in Battle.
Åh, han har kun en
If anywhere in
mikropille.
the universe will find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet...
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
Noget et nickname. Legit kalder ham, hvad der svarer til penge i det her univers. Okay. Så se. Lidt hurtigere, lidt hurtigere. Ja. Der. Oj. 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 Nej, nyt skin. Jeg kan godt lide den sådan vise det som hun faktisk har det på, hvilket hun overhovedet ikke har. Så det var lidt godt skin. Ratchet. Very nice, very nice. Yes. Lol. Det er Drexer altså. Har vi ikke våben? Har jeg nu ikke råd til. Vis mig det. Vis mig det. Vis mig det nu bare. Oh. Okay, hørt.
That one is just begging for an upgrade.
Hvad det her? Jeg får rigtig gerne gøre den bedre. Increase timing window of bonus damage. De afhører bare, der var den her ting helt.
Nice mod, huh? You picked that one up already.
Nej. Min forser. Oh, very nice. Der. Coolio. Åh. Yeah, need more bolts first. Mere titanium. Whoop whoop.
Do you spend much time here?
Yeah, this place is kind of a safe haven for the Resistance. I hope the Emperor didn't find that out too.
Welcome to Xerxes, your newly interdimensional gastropub battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to Xerxes, where we slaughter with a smile.
Jeg har ingen våben.
Xerxes usually behind the bar. He'll know where to find the pirate with the spare parts. Whoa, the battle arena.
The universe seems even more unstable, unfortunately.
Så der er en arena her. Fuck yeah.
No. Oh.
Namaste, and peace be with you, Ribbit.
Hey, Zerky, have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee.
Tænk det nok.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafayette. Pirate extraordinaire.
I'll fight you for it.
Xerxes is a violent spree zone. Taken outside.
I am more lover than fighter. For you, I will always make an exception.
Ready to kick some robo-butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
There's a console on that big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you.
Så det her, man kan tjene flere moneter. Så mange circons. Oj. Giv mig nogle bolts. Wow.
Why must every dimension have a dangerous battle arena?
I will fight you both myself! But first, you must prove you're worthy!
The pirates are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire them for always finding new ways to cheat.
Ah, yes! Tearing through the fabric of space-time! A true valid signature!
Okay. Jeg forstår ikke det der.
Ground this scallywag!
Så vi er lige gået fra noget til noget andet. Jeg vil lige hende, der bare gerne vil have ham til at gøre noget. Ham, så det bliver mere sådan... Og tease.
What is going on? This is embarrassing! I will fight if we would have won by now!
Kom nu herned, hvis du er så god.
Fire, my men, fire!
Bonk. Jeg indrømmer gerne det, at det måske ikke er det nemmeste spil at lave commentary på, når jeg er så fokuseret som jeg er. Men jeg må se, hvad jeg kan gøre. Sådan der. Så mærkeligt, jeg har spillet som helt anden karakter, det meste har spillet allerede. Lad os se, hvad har vi her godt. Okay. Okay, lad os få Frodo Fungo Guy ud. Så det er bedre end Circon. Jeg tror, at han simpelthen kæmper mod os selv. Var det skins, eller var det en legit gadget? Fucking god. Selvfølgelig. Fedt, hvad det simpelthen våben der. Jeg havde lidt håb på, at det var slag, men okay. Okay. Kom måske lidt for tæt på. Nej. Okay.
But ow! Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge. But here, take your back.
Ooh.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with
we've got to get him and us out of here, but without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. I met a prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
I guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You too, Ratchet.
Be
Be
careful
careful
out there. Wow. Another Lombax.
Let's build this thing.
Well, that was a little much.
Nice work back there. Bet we could win the Bronze Cup before
Let's
heading
see,
to Blizar Prime. Wouldn't mind the extra bolts to gear up.
Exactly. Using den force. Yes. Og så er der flere ting. Fancy. Okay. Bare bruge ordentlig range, men who cares? Det er hvad? Okay, det er alt for lidt. Hvorfor? Det var de to gutter. De to. Okay, sådan der.
Let's get to Blizar Prime and see if we can find that phase quartz.
Jeg bliver nødt til at flere våben. Lige for til det, som det er svært. Vent. Det gælder ikke, hvis jeg ikke bruger... Okay. Hørt. De siger bare op til skærmen sådan, du må ikke dræbe dem med fucking hammer ting. Hørt. Jeg forstår. My mistake. Jeg elsker bare minke så meget åbenbart. 4 skud af hvad der skal til. Gør den det der? Og den sådan zoomer ind. Okay, så. Jeg prøver på at gå til den der. Prøv til lidt på at finde noget ammo. Sådan der. Let's fucking go. lige så. Okay. Okay, så lige jeg tror, det er det eneste stop mig. Faktisk decent svært der. Jeg ser det liv. Thank you. Det er stadig det fucking weird, de bruger Goons for list i de arenaer her, når de skal forestille, der er kommet igennem på vores dimensioner af. Okay, I get it now. Så det er den militære sprinter. Ja, en godslist. Hvordan kommer jeg ud derfra? Er det der? Det er sådan der.